Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Ellie Lewis. Now, Ellie Lewis is explaining that allegedly the Queen died long before yesterday. So he's saying that this is a part of the New World Order and that she really died before, but she is one of she's a queen that reigned the longest and the best that ever reigned. So go check out this video, and please remember that your opinion is your opinion. And please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Good morning.
Alright, my people, greetings and salutation. Big up on yourself. So, what we're talking about now, people, we're talking about Queen Elizabeth, people, the second. One of the greatest queen that the world has ever seen, without doubt. You understand? And the reason why I said one of the greatest queen that the world has ever seen, because she's one of the, as a matter of fact, she is the longest reigning queen ever. Reign longer than Cleopatra, reign longer than her mother, reign longer than, she's just the longest reigning queen ever. So, am I saying now, people, I would like to say RIP, but I cannot say RIP, people, because you would have heard me telling you from a long time, say the queen died long time ago. We didn't even make a song for her, big up the greatest queen that the world has ever seen. The queen died long time, people, but enough of you people now will not get it. Enough of you people will everlasting keep on working off a hearsay and not the facts. No. It's coming down now to the new people, world order, and what is going to go on now, people? What is going to go on now, people, is they're going to tell you now, say there is a new disease. Then the whole world now, people, instead of England now, people, then put all of the constitution underneath a thing called the WOW. Who is WOW? The World Health Organization. The World Health Organization, people, is the new rulers of the Maritime Act, the new rulers of the boom, Closhar people, Boris Johnson people, Bill Gates, the Pope of Rome, and the Rothschilds, them, aka the big farmers. So people, you can go and rejoice, not you can mourn, but mourn for yourself and run towards the hill. When we say run towards the hill, people, the queen is dead long time. Who you see was a clone. That's why check out every police over 2 years now, or nearly 2 years now, every police stopped swearing to the queen. Every police stopped swearing to the queen. Long time ago. How could a police stop swearing to the queen if we are all the subjects of the queen? Because the queen dead long time. No. Who's in danger now? You see, the Governor General them, because the Governor General them try to hold it out long. So I would tell the Governor General said, "Wanna come over and come get on a sovereignty." Yes, sir. Nyan Kepong Maroon sovereign government, people. Get on a maroon identification card. Now, people, if you don't want to call in, people, the number to call in is 1876 508 4448. The Queen dead long time, people. Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth died long time, people. 2 years back, people. But don't look at take that for Google. So what is happening? What is going to happen now, people? They're going to bring in stage 2 of the World Health Organization plan, people, for killing off. Now, look out to see riot go on all over the world. Because what they're going to do now, they're going to use some so-called imitation police to kill whole heap of innocent people, and then they're going to use the press and the media to make you people erupt to anger. The first one got me in England. So look out to see a big riot in England any minute now. And when the riot starts in England, people, please avoid that riot. Because first thing they're going to do, they're going to throw something like tear gas when the new disease they must throw. And then they're probably going to try to put a couple of George Soros people in the crowd to shoot some police and kill some police. Then the police are going to shoot back at the crowd. Then they're going to give the crowd automatical guns to shoot back at the police. And then you're going to hear a thing called state of emergency. Then after state emergency now, then they drop a thing called martial law. Then they will be forcing the vaccine and all the new poison upon the people. And there will be no one to stop them because them just put over all the constitution of the world, what the Queen did have, to the World Health Organization. And the Jamaican Prime Minister turning female to the World Health Organization. Boris Johnson, people, turning the England Constitution to the World Health Organization. No, if Queen Elizabeth, people, was alive last year, Boris Johnson could have turned over the World Health Organization, turned over the Constitution of England to the World Health Organization, giving the World Health Organization now the power of having world dominancy. But you people not gonna take nothing what I say serious until the shit lick the fan. Now, people, what you see, they might have said the Queen is like a clone. So you're going to hear how much Governor General is losing powers of tomorrow. You're going to hear how much Governor General, rather them say them sick and dead. And you're going to hear enough politicians pass pay a new law towards digital money. They're going to pass the new law now, so we have to take vaccine. They're going to pass a whole heap of new law as of next week or when the Queen buried. People, the Queen dead and buried long time. Why you believe you see one day and the grand picnic them have to travel? And remember, them tell the Queen, they don't want to care nothing about the Queen is sick. But because the Queen died, and they're going to come in with a thing called now G7. What, wait. No. Which year did Queen Elizabeth II die? Which year did Queen Elizabeth II die? Which year did the Queen of England die? See, Google can't even talk it all now, people. Greetings. Greetings, Carla. Greetings. No, the Queen passed away nearly 2 years ago.
No, the Queen just passed away.
No, Queen. Um, you have a thing called New World Order, and then if you check it out now, where are you living?
New York.
All right, so call any person.